Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a poll on the Instagram story on your Instagram. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to create a poll on Instagram story, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, click on the plus symbol on the top, and now just click on the story option. Just click this. Now just add an image from your gallery, or just click on the camera option and just take a photo. It might be a blank space. Just click on this three dot and you will see an option called drawing. So here you just choose any color and just hold on the screen. It will automatically changes the screen color. Just pick the color and just hold it, and you will see the screen color will be changed as you selected color, and click OK. Now click on the sticker option. Here you will see a sticker called poll. If you don't find it, just type as poll on the search. I'm having here. So here you just want to have some questions, what the questions that you want to give or what the poll will be. So here I just going to your subscribers. So I just type as your subscribers or your pet. Okay, so just type as your pet, and you can have the questions that you want to ask, or if you want to analyze which city or which country that your Instagram followers are, so you can just type as like a country name or whatever. So here just going to type as a fish, and then a parrot, and you can add more options, so it's easier like this. After doing this, you can just click this, and also you can just change the color of the poll. You can see, you just tap on the circle on the top and click done. Now you just can choose your story or close friend story. So just click on your story, and it has been posted now. So just click on your story and you will see an option here. So just click this, and they can is actually has been posting here. Now click anything and it will be posted, and you just click on this activity, so you can see the result of the poll result, and you can also share the poll result after finishing the voting. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video, which is super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.